So there you go. So we've got, that's the front, so you can still see some of the stitching on the front here, which is fine. Then we've got poppers here and a hanger hole in the middle, which will make sense in a second. The hook loop, so I double the hook back so all the weight gets put onto the leather, not onto the stitching, so if the weight was going that way, yeah. So we've got a popper on the side there, popper on the side there, so these pull back out of the way, and a popper underneath. And inside here we've got sugar, milk, coffee, meat, spices, chili, salt, dried herbs and olive oil. Put a different lid on that just in case it leaked. So, because these originally, these are the blanks for Coca-Cola bottles, or fizzy drinks bottles. They buy in these blanks, heat them up and then blow them into a mould to make the shape. So it's the same one for a 500ml bottle as it is for a 2 litre bottle, which is why there's not a lot of difference in the price. Exciting stuff. But they're nice strong little thermo set in plastic, so it's a sort of brew kit, cook kit. Add some spices to your food, especially forage stuff.
Yeah.
I thought, yeah, of course, why not? Why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It just felt massive.
Yeah.
Just felt lost.
You just didn't like the way it sagged down, did you?
I just felt lost in it.
Well,
so
it's a big hammer.
And then when it was